Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to fix your account does not meet the requirements to play Valorant. So guys, I have two solutions. The first one, open your command run option as you can see here and click on the phrase upwise CPA, click OK, then launch the program from here. As you can see here, use screen, click on launch the program and features, and then click on the DOS box and or ISM and select install guys on this two option here or here. As you can see here guys, this one, go to turn from here and install this ASM box from here. Just click install this, right click from here as you can see here, and then solution 2 guys, go to run unbox again, click on as you can see here guys, click on run and search for gpd this command and click OK, and then enter your launch local policy, go to a launch local group from computer and administrations from here as you can see here guys, and go to this system and then click turn on virtualization based security, enable this option. So guys, from here you can enable this option, device grade, and turn virtualization, make sure turn on guys this option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.